Welcome to Essentialism, the disciplined pursuit of less by Greg McKeown, a rather vibrant review. We'll start off with an overview of the book and what it preaches, then showcase some of the quotes, explaining what they mean, and end it off with some similar books, in case this one piqued your interest. Click the link in our bio to buy this book and many more like it. Essentialism, the disciplined pursuit of less by Greg McKeown, is a compelling guide that encourages readers to rethink their approach to life and work, advocating for a disciplined pursuit of what truly matters. The book, published in 2014, has gained widespread acclaim for its practical insights and actionable strategies to help individuals cut through the noise, eliminate non-essential activities, and focus on what is truly essential. Greg McKeown's Essentialism is a manifesto for a simplified and purposeful life. McKeown argues that in a world of increasing options and demands, individuals and organizations often find themselves spread too thin, leading to burnout and diminished effectiveness. Essentialism, as he defines it, is about making the highest possible contribution towards the things that matter most, while minimizing distractions and unimportant activities. The essence of essentialism. At the heart of essentialism is the concept of discerning the vital few from the trivial many. McKeown encourages readers to adopt a mindset that challenges the pervasive notion that more is always better. Instead, he proposes a disciplined approach to determine what is truly essential in our personal and professional lives. It's about making deliberate choices aligned with our values and focusing on activities that contribute most to our goals. The three disciplines of essentialism. Explore. McKeown emphasizes the importance of exploring a wide range of options before committing. This involves asking the right questions, considering all possibilities, and not settling for the default yes. Eliminate. The second discipline involves eliminating non-essential activities. McKeown suggests saying no to opportunities and obligations that do not align with one's essential goals. This requires the courage to make tough choices and prioritize long-term fulfillment over short-term gains. Execute. The final discipline is execution. Once the essential activities are identified, it's crucial to execute them effectively. This involves creating systems, routines, and habits that support the pursuit of what truly matters. The power of no. A central theme in essentialism is the power of saying no. McKeown argues that saying yes to every opportunity or request spreads one's efforts too thin, leading to mediocrity rather than excellence. Learning to say no is a key skill in the pursuit of essentialism, enabling individuals to focus on their highest priorities. Trade-offs and sacrifices. Essentialism involves acknowledging and embracing trade-offs. McKeown highlights the importance of sacrificing lower priority activities to make room for those that truly matter. While this might be challenging, especially in a culture that often glorifies busyness, it is essential for achieving meaningful results. The paradox of success. McKeown introduces the paradox of success, which suggests that success can be a catalyst for failure if it leads to complacency and an unfocused pursuit of more. Essentialism is a countermeasure to this paradox, encouraging individuals to stay focused on what truly matters, even in the face of success. Applying essentialism in work. The principles of essentialism extend to the workplace. McKeown provides insights on how organizations can cultivate a culture of essentialism, fostering clarity of purpose and empowering employees to make value-driven decisions. This involves creating an environment that supports disciplined decision-making and encourages a focus on the most critical objectives. Essentialism in daily life. The book is filled with practical advice on how to apply essentialism to daily life. McKeown provides tools and techniques for clarifying priorities, avoiding decision fatigue, and maintaining focus. By incorporating these practices into everyday routines, individuals can gradually shift towards a more intentional and purposeful way of living. Criticisms and controversies. While essentialism has been widely praised, it has not been without its critics. Some argue that the book's emphasis on individual choice and control may not fully account for systemic factors that limit choices for certain individuals. Additionally, the idea of saying no to opportunities may be perceived as a privilege that not everyone can afford. 1. Done right, a strategic intent is really one decision that makes 1,000 decisions. This quote suggests that a well-crafted strategic intent serves as a guiding principle, simplifying decision-making by providing a clear direction. When strategic intent is effectively established, it streamlines numerous decisions that align with the overarching goal. 2. Essentialism isn't about how to get more things done, it's about how to get the right things done. In this quote, the author emphasizes that the core philosophy of essentialism is not centered on productivity for its own sake. Instead, it focuses on identifying and accomplishing the most important tasks, emphasizing quality over quantity in our actions and pursuits. 3. Remember that if you don't prioritize your life, someone else will. This quote underscores the importance of taking control of one's priorities. If individuals do not actively choose and prioritize what matters to them, external forces or others may dictate their priorities, leading to a life that is not aligned with their true values and goals. 4. Essentialism is about creating a system for handling the wardrobe of our life. Here, the author uses the metaphor of a wardrobe to convey the idea that essentialism involves establishing a systematic approach to managing and organizing the various aspects of our lives. This system helps ensure that our time and energy are directed toward the essential elements that contribute to our overall well-being and success. 5. The way of the essentialist means leading by design, not by default. This quote emphasizes that adopting an essentialist mindset involves intentional and purposeful leadership. Rather than allowing circumstances or external pressures to dictate one's path, leading by default, an essentialist leader actively designs and shapes their journey based on a clear understanding of what is truly essential. If you enjoyed Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Greg McKeown, you might find the following books which share similar themes of focus, prioritization, and intentional living to be interesting. Deep Work: Rules for Focused Success in a Distracted World by Cal Newport. Newport explores the concept of deep work, emphasizing the value of focused and undistracted efforts in an increasingly busy and distracting world. The book provides practical strategies for cultivating deep, meaningful work. The One Thing, The Surprisingly Simple Truth Behind Extraordinary Results by Gary Keller and Jay Papasan. Keller and Papasan advocate for the power of focus by identifying and prioritizing the one thing that can make the most significant impact on achieving your goals. The book guides readers in simplifying their approach to productivity. Make Time: How to Focus on What Matters Every Day by Jake Knapp and John Zeratsky. Knapp and Zeratsky offer a practical guide to help readers redesign their daily routines and prioritize activities that align with their values and goals. The book provides actionable advice on making time for what truly matters. Atomic Habits: An Easy and Proven Way to Build Good Habits and Break Bad Ones by James Clear. Clear explores the power of habits and how small, consistent changes can lead to significant improvements in one's life. The book focuses on the idea that mastering essential habits can shape a more intentional and fulfilling life. Good Strategy, Bad Strategy: The Difference and Why It Matters by Richard Rumelt. Rumelt delves into the principles of effective strategy and decision-making. While not directly focused on minimalism, the book encourages readers to discern and pursue the most critical elements of a strategy, aligning with the essence of essentialism. These books complement essentialism by providing additional perspectives and actionable insights on how to lead a more intentional and purposeful life. Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less by Greg McKeown serves as a timely guide for those navigating the complexities of modern life. In challenging the notion that more is always better, McKeown provides a roadmap for focusing on life's essential aspects. Beyond theoretical concepts, the book equips readers with practical strategies, from saying no effectively to creating systems for a more intentional life. McKeown's work becomes a transformative companion, inspiring individuals to reassess priorities and declutter from non-essential distractions. It sparks a mindset shift away from perpetual busyness toward a life centered on what truly matters. The book not only offers a theoretical framework, but empowers readers to navigate life with clarity, focus, and renewed purpose. In essence, essentialism is more than a philosophy. It's a transformative approach to living. Through insightful concepts and actionable steps, the book challenges the status quo and empowers individuals to lead lives marked by intentionality, meaning, and genuine accomplishment. Thank you for watching. If you found Essentialism, The Disciplined Pursuit of Less insightful, you can explore this book and many more through the link in our bio. Dive into a world of knowledge and intentional living. Don't forget to subscribe for more enriching content. Happy reading!